I made this Southwest stuffed sweet potato, pulling out some ingredients from the freezer. I roasted my sweet potato in the air fryer. Start first by washing your sweet potatoes and then pierce them all. I just like to use the tip of a paring knife. Quick little pokes helps your sweet potatoes from bursting. It'll probably be fine if you forget this step, but it's a good idea anyway. Then I just like to add a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil today. Just kind of give all of your potatoes a little rub. It'll help the skins crisp up a little bit, because I actually like to eat the skin. Do you? Or do you eat around it when you make your roasted sweet potatoes? The deluxe air fryer and oven is set on the roast setting. I have it set to cook for about 35 minutes. Hit the start button. You'll rotate halfway through bake time. One of the things I like to do when I'm making a recipe like this is get a head start by reaching into my freezer. I've prepped chicken breasts a couple of different ways. I cook some of it in the multi-cooker plain, that's how my son likes it, and the rest of us like it grilled with a balsamic vinaigrette type of filling. So when I need cooked chicken, I can reach to the freezer, grab what I need. Sometimes these chicken breasts are going on a sandwich, sometimes I'm making chicken salad, and sometimes I'm making a recipe like this. So I can just put it right into my twist and chop and quickly chop it up. It means that it saved a lot of prep time today, and I love having the variety of things I can make with cooked chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add some green onion. It's not called for in the recipe, but I think it'll taste good. And then I'm gonna put my cilantro in here at the same time. You can take a recipe like this and just modify it based on your family's tastes. I'm keeping it simple today. I'm just gonna add a couple teaspoons of chili powder and with the chicken. And the chili powder, of course, doesn't have any salt in it, so I'm gonna add some of that. Now, we like different things at our house. My son doesn't want any dairy or gluten, so I'm not gonna add the cheese to this mixture just yet. Oops, I forgot to take those out. I'm gonna rely on the flavors of the salt and the chili powder and our other vegetables. So I've got some corn I pulled out of the freezer, I froze last season. And I am also using some black beans. I cooked these in the multi-cooker. I pulled these out of the freezer a few hours ago as well. That's gonna give that boost of protein in that classic Southwest look. Give everything a toss. And this is gonna be what's going to be the stuffing for our sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes are done. They're so small, they were actually ready to go in about 30 minutes. So you wanna pull them out and just give them a tiny squeeze. If you feel that it's got some give to it, you know that they're finished. So there is a range depending on how thick your potatoes are. So now that these are done, I'm gonna prepare them in a couple of ways. I'm actually delivering dinner to my son's house. They have a really busy week and I'm dropping dinner off for them. So I'm just gonna put some of these right into this pan, and I'm not even going to put them back into the air fryer for right now. When they're ready to eat, they will simply pop them into the air fryer and they'll be ready. But what I am gonna do is stuff them. So cut yourself a slit all the way. These are super hot. And when you separate them a little bit, because I'm not putting cheese in his, I'm going to just kind of chop a little bit on the inside very lightly, because I don't want to put marks in the bottom of my pan. You can even cut it on the edge or in the other direction. There we go. The creaminess of the potato will help blend well with our chicken mixture. You can even lightly mash with a fork if you want it to be extra soft. And now I have this mixture. You can do a couple of things. You can be super careful and just get a little bit on top of each potato, or you can just cover the top and treat this like a casserole with the bottom of a sweet potato. Whatever you prefer. So these are packed kind of tightly in here, but it will be absolutely easy for them to just pull out a single potato and eat when they're ready. Okay, so theirs is just like this. I have a blend of some Jack and cheddar cheese. I'll just add this on top. And really, everything is cooked. We just need to warm the chicken through so that everything is melty and everything's hot. So you're just gonna pop this back into the air fryer. I would say about 6 minutes on reheat. That should be plenty of time to heat up the chicken, melt our cheese. I put this in the air fryer on the reheat setting and just take a look at this. It looks so good. Everything's melty and warmed through. I know this is gonna be a great dinner.